son left home very early this morning.
Okay, I think I know one or two places to locate him.
Okay, Tony, I want to ask you something.
Okay.
My son said you were the one that told him that Fred was in the plane that crashed. Is it true that Fred was really in that plane?
Mama, it is no longer a news. Fred died in plane crash. As a matter of fact, every passenger that was involved, none of them survived it. Yeah? Do you know that as we are speaking now, they've not discovered anybody?
Okay, that is what I want to find out. Thank you very much.
The news is all about the social media. I'm surprised that you people at the village, you've not seen the news. Even CNN. Let me check on Ejike.
Okay, one. So truly, Ejike is dead and gone.
What is this now? Ichi, this land is too small now. Is this a land or a shop?
But it's massive.
What is massive? You call this massive? Ichi, please, if you're not serious, let me look for someone else that will show me a bigger land. I beg you. I don't like all this kind of thing. Show me land, you'll show me this kiosk.
Let's go to the next area where I have acres of land.
Oh, you have acres of land?
Of course.
Now you're talking. Now you are talking like the Ichi I know. The kind of establishment I want to put on this land, no one has done it before. Hey. Even the king cannot try it. If the king wants to establish the kind of thing I have in mind, he will go bankrupt. I want to build mansion, more mansion. I want to build school, hospital. I'm aspiring billions of naira, not millions, so billions. And listen, and one good thing is that once I inherit all this property, all this wealth, the ones in the village will manage them for me. Because I cannot stay in this village now. I'll go to the city and be relaxing. Once I inherit everything, you will be the one to manage all these little properties in the village.
I can't wait.
You can't wait. Okay, then show me acres of land.
Come with me. Let me.
Sometimes it make all look cool.
Kai Gabano is not far from here.
Take me. This is not land. This is kiosk.
If you just go to that side, the other side.
Their heart is evil. I've been finding joy. I've been deep mad in joy. When they fall, I get the banana. They go like you to fall with them.
Okay, let's see your boss, but let's see who's going to win this time.
You want to join us?
Yeah.
Alright. Ready? Go! You won.
Come out of the sun.
I'm giving you the cup. You won. Honey, what are we having for dinner?
Christian, what do you want to eat?
Rice. Every time you have rice, me I want swallow.
Oh, you want swallow? So I'll just prepare both of them and store them in the fridge.
Okay, better.
So we're going to have rice for dinner. Let's go! Yeah!
Gina, you need to act fast before you lose everything you and your husband worked for all these years. You need to act fast.
What do you want me to do? If this is what fate has in store for me, so be it.
You have me as a friend. Okay? Do you know what that means? You're ready to go hungry on the streets with a child to look after? No, I cannot allow that to happen to you.
Fred left me in the hands of a wicked world. All alone. My friend, if something should happen to me, please take care of my daughter.
God forbid, nothing will happen to you. Nothing will happen to you. Stop saying that. You and I are in this together. I am ready to give my life for you and your daughter. You're not just a friend to me. You're like a sister I never had. Please, stay strong for me. Please, stay strong for your daughter. I beg you. Okay? Please, you need to stay strong. Okay? Please. Please don't do this, I beg you.
If not for Oga's goodness and kind heart, I would have left already. But I will not go. I will stay back and look after Madame and Christine.
Wait. May I remind you, say, na me and you did this compound. So, since that time when me and you stayed this compound, reach now, you know they see me. You know they reason me. Now you can't count people where you go take care of. You don't even count me put. Not they good now. I know say you hate me, but sometimes try, pretend say you love me. At least make I dey get hope now.
As what? As what? See, John, that thing that is in your mind, it will not work at all. I will never have anything to do with a gate man, let alone a poor one like you. Please look elsewhere. Imagine.
Huh?
What rubbish.
See person why I want help. Oh. See this mumu why I want help. Now they do cha. Eh? You say you see the kind woman when my guy won't marry for me. Hey! If you know they talk now. Big woman. If you see shape, if you see everywhere, you don't go talk. See person why I want help. I can't look myself. See say I tall, gallant. Now I say make I help you with the ground close. May you no go marry person with they like you when I go born. Now you can't dey form for. Who dey form for? Who go marry you? Half engine. Nonsense.
This is a critical time for all of us. I can't believe that this is happening. My only son, dead, and his body is nowhere to be found. Honestly, deep inside me, I believe that he is alive somewhere. And for that reason, no one should mourn him until we confirm that he is dead. Gina, my daughter, please. I want you to put yourself together. Be strong. Stop crying. Crying will not solve anything. Even though I don't believe he is dead. I will be visiting from time to time, while we still wait to hear from the lawyer and the police people. We will be going back to the village.
I hope this is not about Ejike.
Forget about Ejike and his mother. Leave them to me. I will handle them at the appropriate time. This is a tribulation we must stand together as a family to overcome. Gina, my daughter, I want you to forget about AGK and his mother and focus more on Fred's issue. Please. Chisom will go with me to the village because Uju is here already, taking care of you and the baby. Rose, your friend, is also here, even though she stepped out to get something for you. I believe they will take very good care of you. I want you to take very good care of my grandchild because she needs you now more than ever. Uju, please take care of my grandchild and take care of your madam as well. They need you now. Gina, please be strong.
No. What if we do this and my husband comes back? What would then be my fate?
I am only telling you to prepare ahead of time. Prepare for the worst if it comes to that.
It won't come to that. It won't. And even if it does, you're not telling me to bring a stranger into my home all in the name of securing my husband's wealth. No, I can't do that, please.
It's okay. I'm only just giving you a piece of advice. Because the AGK I know will come for the wealth and definitely throw you out.
Until then, let's not repeat this. I love my husband even at the point of death.
When they fall, they go like you to fall with them.
Just look at the car you said you washed. This car is not properly washed. This car is not properly washed. If you know you can't wash car properly, you tell me, let me take it to another car wash.
That's how you talk. Now your houseboy they talk to. Let's say don't get respect. Car, why I use my hand to wash? You want my repent time? Okay, pay me my money and leave this place.
See, I won't pay you a dime if you know you can't wash this car over and over again.
Now beat I go beat you over and over again. You them mad. My houseboy they talk to. Give me my money. Car, why I use my hand to wash? You want my repent time?
I won't give you a dime. If you want problem, ask of me. I'll give it to you double.
It's a problem.
I'll give it to you double.
Now you and my younger brother is gonna do all those things. Me, I don't fight, I kill. Give me my money, but give me the car keys.
You want to steal my car or what? Do you want to steal my car or what?
If you see TV, you go fist stand.
I won't give you a dime.
You don't take what they do to you.
Wait, let me give you money. Wait, come. Take your money. I have your money. Wait.
Body they pepper me. Make I not use you do sample.
Take your money.
Make I not use you do.
Take your money. Take.
Idiot.
I'm giving you money. You can go.
Animal.
You can go. Give my change. Let me have my change.
You want change?
Give my change. I
need
your
see your change.
Go.
See your change. See your change.
You're a madman.
Thunder. Idiot. See the rubbish car where you carry when you tear my hand. You see they talk rubbish. Animal. People who get small car, they too get bad mouth.
This is nonsense. It is unacceptable by me. I cannot take it. Who goes on now? Is she so mad? No, Ogina fear. What is happening here? Do you people want me to start reacting now?
It's okay.
Who is Chisom now? A little girl, a small girl, talking to me anyhow, misbehaving. She thinks I'm Fred. That she can control. I am not Fred though. If anybody tries me, I will kill the person.
Ichie, this injustice has to stop. I have respected them enough. Not anymore. My son here is the only male child Chief Okosa has.
Exactly. The only surviving son.
Every of his property, by tradition, belongs to him. So they should give it to him.
Belongs to me.
Woman, I am happy for you. If you have been talking like this all this while, she would have long ago taken you to be her co-wife and not as an outsider.
Let her just wait for me. Enough of all this cheating. It's enough.
In fact, I will just start to show them my true color. Honestly speaking, now let me start playing them full film or cinema so they can just sit and watch me. Because these people are taking me for granted.
Honestly speaking, I get men, no. I get tools. Anyone they want, I can feel root them out anytime. Tony, bring boys out, look, we'll rocket them. They will come out. What is going on? Imagine Chisom. That useless stepsister of mine is challenging him. I will just deal with her.
It's okay.
I will deal with her now, and nothing will happen.
It's okay.
She's just a woman. My father's wealth rightfully belongs to me, and I can decide who I want to share or give anything to. It's as simple as that.
Exactly.
So I brought right.
Mama, I want to ask, what is Ichie Ude's business and gain in all this? He is the one pushing Ejike and backing him up in all this.
I know. I know everything. I know their game plan. Eh? But you see that thing they are looking for? They will get it too. I am only keeping quiet because what I have against them will either destroy them or it will permanently shut them up. I'm just waiting for the right time. At the right time, here, back to back, fire to fire. Eh?
Hey.
Hungry me.
Mama, the one that baffles me most is my stepbrother. He doesn't even care if my brother is alive or dead.
You're talking about that one. Forget them. Let me ask him again. Forget them. All of them will be clothed in shame and dishonor. I know that Ejike and his mother have already, they have sold disgrace and bought shame. But the one that they will be clothed on that day, it will surprise them. Back to back, fire for fire. They don't know me, oh. As for the inheritance, those properties that they want to get, Shimba, Shishi, Toro, Afo, Kobo, they won't get. They don't know me. They are playing with fire. What I labored with my hands, they want to reap where they did not sow. Oh, Mama, I will not give them the chance. Cha.
Mama, this time, we'll give them hot to hot.
We will fight this fight to the end. Be prepared, though.
We'll fight it.
Yeah. Ha! They want to try me.
When they fall, I get the banana. They go like you to fall with them. When they are hopeless and fall.
Biko, enough is enough. Mama, I want to ask you a direct question. And in return, please answer me directly. Don't go through the corners.
What is it?
Is Chief Okosa truly my father?
Are you mad? Are you indirectly calling me a wayward woman?
I am not calling you a wayward woman, or I'm not calling you a prostitute, but you're acting like one. What is going on? You don't support me in anything I do in this village. You don't back me up. Other mothers are very happy when their sons stand up and fight for their rights. But you, different story. Outsiders are supporting me. When it comes to your own, it's a different story. What is going on?
Chike, calm down. Ogini. Chief Okosa is truly your father, and they all know it.
So what are we doing here? Eh? Can you see this place? No paint, nothing. Look at the kind of roof. Look at the kind of zinc. I feel like crying. What are we doing here? The first wife is living comfortably fine in this village. The house is very beautiful. Fred was living in the city. Very beautiful house. What am I doing here? Eh? Am I cursed?
Ejike, that will be a story for another day.
Tell me now. I want to know. Tell me now. I'm mature enough to know.
Focus on how to get all he left behind. They never liked me in the first place.
What did you do? What did you do? Why don't they like you?
I don't even have anybody to fight for me. Now that you're grown up, fight. Let us fight against that wicked man with all the wickedness has meted on me all this while.
I'm tired, I beg. I'm tired. Okay. I don't understand you.
You're tired.
Support me, you will not support me. Fight with me, you will not fight with me. Now that I'm a man. You have not told me anything, no? Is it truly my father or not? Tell me. I don't even look like you. You have bow leg. My legs are straight. Nah, this will not end today. It will never end today. I must find out the truth. In this village, nobody will joke with me.
Ocholo fight. Ocholo mamba. If Ocholo bo fighting. Ocholo mamba.
She told me this in confidence. And from all indication, AGK will end at nothing. You see why I said you should always ask questions. Eh? The only option you have right now is to agree with me to go see this guy so that he will stand by you.
But my husband was the one that built the company from scratch.
Tradition would not ask who built the company. Yes. As long as the late father's name is there. You see, this case is won by him. Things can only be shared if Fred were to be alive. You don't even have a male child. A male child to prove, to show for it. That is why all these people are coming for you. Eh?
What do you think I should do now?
Don't worry. You don't have to do nothing. I am here for you. I will handle things myself. Okay? Don't worry. You thank me later.
Are you sure?
You see this life? This life is a game. You either play to lose or you play to win. But you see this particular one, we are going to come out victorious. And that I assure you, my friend. Okay? Don't worry. I'm here for you. I got you. It's okay. It's fine, don't worry. I got you.
Do you have to go? What if he hurts you? You said he's a dangerous man.
Yes, but we need it. It's just that I'm too scared to engage in a conversation with him. But I will try next time, okay?
Who is it?
It's me, madam.
Come in. What is it?
Now one man do. Now I enter here say, make I give you this thing.
What is it?
I don't know. I not open it.
It's from the village.
Madam, make I dey go.
Yeah, go.
I can go Niger State. I cannot delete you. Especially where they leave office for. I cannot delete you. This is a way they sleep under this hot sun. No customer come.
Was Nasasia man. Since morning, no one don't carry car come here.
Where you are? You know, say that one's a bit lodge for hotel every hot afternoon. Carry babe. You don't go as usual.
Don't go now since work no day.
Continue sleeping.
Thank you.
This is exactly what I've been talking about. Eh? They don't even care about your husband Fred if he's alive or dead. What is that? These people are very heartless and wicked. I don't understand.
But Mama did not even call to inform me like she promised.
Maybe she does not know about it. And you know these people, when making decisions, they don't even care about women. But don't worry, we will fight. Okay? Call Mama. Call her. Hi.
Very mean and wise, always prepared for fight and war. I'm one working, I'm working. It should have been your child. Is it correct to put out the dotting and manaru? Anayo, Anayo, Anayo. In a know they fear person. Now people they fear him. Always prepare. Up on the wall of my web. Anayo. Isi gaka. Upwadiro. Maniru zena yoso. Okosiki folk. Ide play, ide show.
What is it now? Oh, Nkegi. You are sleeping by this time of the day. Are you not aware that as you are sleeping, my business will be sleeping?
Okay. Customer no dey and a person no go sleep.
Customer go kill you there. You left your own shop. Came here and started sleeping with my own idiot. Don't you know that it's spiritually wrong? When you are sleeping, everything about you will be sleeping. Even when there is no customer. Listen, I don't want to ever see this boy again around this vicinity. He should mind their own business. You get lost. I don't want to ever see you here again. I'm off here. You are sleeping. You are sleeping. I'll go for you.
Always prepare. Up on the wall of my web.
Idiot! Open this gate! Open the gate.
At the count of 3, open this gate. If I enter this, I will slap you down.
Who is it?
Madam, I don't know. When I say, don't come again.
Open the gate.
No, your guy, brother, open the gate. Are you mad?
You don't get respect.
Bless you, they're very stupid. Hold him there, whole stage, idiot.
No, now.
Shh, hold up. Don't talk anything again. Hold up. It's okay. They like that. You.
What are you doing in my house, GK?
What sort of stupid question is that? Point of correction. This is my house.
I can see you're crazy. Whatever you're smoking is getting into your head. It's turning your brain upside down that you don't know what you're saying.
Are you talking to me like that?
Get out now before I call the police.
My friend Bush.
Yeah, madam. Listen. Whatever he's telling you now is authentic. Better call your mother-in-law and confirm the news.
In fact, hand over that phone to me now. Hand over that phone to me. Now you listen to me and listen real good. This property belongs to me. Everything inside and outside here belongs to me. I am the only surviving son of my father. And for your information, you belong to me. You're also my property. Okay? Now you go in there, freshen up, undress yourself, lay on the bed and open your useless leg for me to penetrate.
Go and sleep with your mother, fool.
You don't... Open this door. Open this door. I will break this door. I will just break this door now. I will break this door and nothing will happen.
There must be another way to enter this house.
What nonsense? Open this door! Bring that guy, come here. Now you go receive all these things. Carry and come. Just bend down like they come like that. They come like goats. Come on, they come like goats. Open this door.
See, Oga, please. Anything what I do you, forgive. All this thing what they happen. As I did, I get man I do. Please.
Bless it is what they crazy.
This guy smoke.
Bless it, the man.
What do they smoke?
I know they smoke. Even for kitchen, I never go. Anything smoke, I know the tester.
What do I do now? What do I do? What do you think I should do?
I think we should start with what we have here.
Huh? I need to go inside here. I need to get what belongs to me.
Yes, but there is no, this is only one entrance. So let's start with what we have here.
Oh, there's nothing you have here now.
Let's go.
Go where?
Let's go back and come back later.
No, we write letter, drop for this phone now.
No need.
We'll never write letter.
We'll come back again. The next time you see my face or his face here, and you refuse to open that gate, honestly.
Before knocking, open the gates.
Are you hearing me? Before knocking, open the what? 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 Before knocking, open.
Gate. This man is better phone.
Now my Oga give me before.
Abi? Achiever.
My Oga give me before you start.
See the talk.
Oga, the man.
Just say you don't get it. Waste today for this.
No.
This is your phone. Your transportation for coming.
Idiot! Sooner! But I think say una be man. Come, make I finish una. I kick. See, una dey pass manga. Una for them now, may I kill una. Hey! See no get man like me. Madam, come out. Come out, I don't finish them. Huh? Hey! My phone, no. The phone when my Oga give me. Before they travel, now these people come carry like this. Hey! Who will buy another one? My Oga don't die. Hey! The wife when my Oga promised me, my Oga die. The phone when give me might take the manage. They know what thing they happen. These people come collect them again. Hey! Madam! No problem. I be man. Madam, come! I don't finish them.
Please, you are the only one who can help us. She will stand to lose everything her late husband inherits from the father to his stepbrother. Please, I'm begging you.
My problem why I get where you dey be say small thing where you go just munch talk. You go use English, they make a long. I know they like all those plenty English. See, I be businessman. Igbo blood, original one. Tell me wetin be my percentage, wetin be my cut, wetin I go gain. If I like am, I go deliver. Just dey come dey speak many English.
I'm sorry for pestering you, please. Can I have your number? Please, I beg you in the name of God.
It's not pestering. They speak another one. A toothpaste. See, I don't get number. They come begin to worry me for WhatsApp. I know they do WhatsApp. You know my shop. If you decide what you go give me, come tell me there. If I like am, go run am. If you don't like am, no, I don't get phone.
Please, you're the only one that can help us. I'm begging you, please.
I know they do WhatsApp.
Please, I'm begging you.
Stay there. Hey, stay there like that. Just stay there. Stay there like that. Stay there. I said, stay there like that. Stay there. Stay there like that.
I beg you in the name of God, please.
I said, stay there.
Anayo. You know they fear person. Now people they fear him. Always.
Why didn't you call the police and get him locked up? For invading your privacy? Eh? This is unlike you. Not even a call.
He took me unawares. And I believe he's still in town.
Let him show his face up next time here. I swear to God, I'm going to deal with him. What nonsense? Eh? Did you even tell your mother-in-law about this?
Her number is not connecting. It's not. That beast is still in town, so we need a tight security. I already told John not to open the gate to any stranger.
See, we need to make a report at the police station immediately. I need to call the DPO.
Rose.
Don't rose me, please. What's that? Hey! Next time, let him show his face here up again. I will deal with him. What nonsense. Hello?
Anayo. You know they fear person. Now people they fear him.
Watch that car well, no.
Alright, sir.
Good morning.
Okay, Alpha.
Fine, Oga. I forgot to tell you, one beautiful girl find you call yesterday. Oga, this girl sweet die. This girl fine.
Okay, I want to give you one advice that will help you. Leave women for now. They never reach. If they reach something for life, just focus. There is time for everything now. You barely feed, but this time when they talk about woman, your ear go just go up like antenna. How? Not they look your oga. Now the same person me and serve. When we dey serve our oga, everybody focus. Even your oga know the near woman. And after they settle us, him don't make am for life, him begin pursue woman. So there is time for everything. You dey hear me so? Focus.
Oga, I don't hear. Oga, this one enter. I will try focus. I believe you.
If you like, make you enter. If you like, may not enter. The truth, I tell you. If you no focus now, at 63 years, you go there, they shout say government no good. I don't tell you finish.
Thank you, Oga.
You know they fear person, now people they fear him. Always prepare, up at the wall of my web. Anayo.
Nkechi, warn your son. Give him a stern warning. Tell him that thing he is looking for in my family, he will see it.
Nkali, enough. Enough of all this. I am not for drinking. Stop tormenting my son and I. Okay. What rights have you and your children that my son and I doesn't have? What rights? AGK is Chief's flesh and blood. And everyone in this community knows it. Stop punishing me, Nkali. Stop it.
Nkechi. Point of correction in case you have forgotten. Whenever you want to say son, try to put that word illegitimate, because your son is what? Is an illegitimate son. And you and that thing you call a son cannot come to reap where you did not sow.
Story.
You see my husband? I married him when he had nothing. Not shimbam. Everything you see that he has, all the properties, everything, I single-handedly built it with him. Before you now saw it, you saw the properties, you now deceived him into having an affair with him.
You deceived him as a baby.
You deceived him, yes.
Deceived him as a baby.
But let me just sound this warning to you. Your son, you cannot earn anything. You cannot inherit anything. Any properties, anything that Chief have. Not when I'm alive. Okay. It can't happen. And it will never happen.
No problem.
So I want you to warn him. Warn that thing you call a son. To stay clear from me and my family.
You will surely die.
He will regret it.
You will surely die and my son will inherit it.
That will die. You and your illegitimate son will die.
Since you say you will die for him to inherit anything, you will have to die.
It's you that will die. All of you will die and you will not inherit anything.
What?
Nkoli,
get out of my house! Nkoli, leave my house.
What did you say?
I said leave my house!
What did she call you?
I say house.
House.
Oh, okay.
Point of correction, this is an ant hill. It's not a house.
And I like it like that.
You like it like that?
Yes.
Then why are you fighting over a property that you do not have any hand in building? I will leave because this place, it stinks. Why did I even come?
Leave here, Nkoli. Don't let me do what I will regret.
What will you do?
Leave here.
What will you do?
Nkoli, leave here.
Chisom, let us go out from this ant hole. Please, before we go, make sure you give your son the information I came to give him.
When you're done shouting and ranting, my son will inherit his property. My son will surely inherit his property. Chief is his father, and there's nothing you can do about it. I met Chief before you came.
Their heart is wicked. Their heart is evil.
The cost is too much. Where am I supposed to get that kind of money from?
I don't know, but he's the only option we have right now. I tried talking to him and he said it's strictly business. I don't even know what else to do.
Leave it. Leave him. I can start what I cannot finish. What if if it backfires? I'll lose my mother-in-law's trust? No. Let's just wait and see if they find my husband's body. Hello? Oh yes, Fred Okusa's wife speaking.
What is it? Who is on the phone? Wait. Yes? Where is that?
When they fall, I get the banana. They go like you to fall with them. When they are hopeless and fall, I get the banana. They go like you to fall with them.
Rose. I want to go upstairs and spend some time with my husband. Please do not follow me.
Gina, please don't do this.
I can't believe this is my husband. Don't follow me, Rose.
Gina, please don't do this. Gina.
Ochalo fight, Ochalo mamba. If Ochalo go fight,
I already sent for Mama. And she said we should proceed with the funeral. So it's true. I will not see my husband again.
Gina, what we should be focusing on is how to scare Ejike away. You know how I managed to scare him away the last time with 2 policemen. Only God knows what he's going to come back with this time around.
Mama also told me that Ejike has taken over everything.
Really? You want to accept defeat just like that? After everything you have been through? I can't believe you said this.
Fighting Ejike will not do me any good. I have to make peace with him because I need to inherit something for my daughter.
This is not possible. Because the Igbo tradition I know will never count a girl child in inheriting properties. Gina, it can only come to make peace in the table when you lay your demands. So this is not a time for you to accept defeat, okay? I'm just angry that Anayo refused to help us. I'm not happy at all. Seriously, this is crazy, oh. This is crazy. Oh, Jesus.
Nne, do you know that I was with Tony's sister when Chisom's mother came to warn the father about Tony? Hey, it is Tony who is instigating Ejike to chase Fred's wife away and take over all his properties.
Are you serious?
I'm serious, so more than serious.
My own Tony.
Your Tony.
Wait, what is Tony's business with the Kusas family? Who asked for his help? Who called him? Who invited him to that family?
I don't know.
Don't worry. I will call Tony by myself.
Okay.
And Tony have to choose between me
I need GK. That is what I would do.
No problem. You know I went to the shop to look for you. And they say you were not around. So I was heading to the house and then, you know.
My
let
dear,
me
I've been
rush
so
off.
busy, but I'll go to the shop later.
No problem.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
I'll be on my way.
Go to shop later.
Of course I will now.
Take care.
I'm going, all right, bye-bye.
My own Tony. What is he doing there anyway? Who asked for his help? I know what to do.
Who else knows about this apart from two of you?
Just me and her.
It's okay. Please, no one else should know about it. I have my reasons. AGK must not know about it. We must fight this battle to the end.
Mama, I'm in support of that. And I am ready to help in any little way I can. I'm in support of that.
But do you see us winning this fight, Mama? I heard it is the tradition.
If I catch you, I'm so full of life. All right, darling. Daddy's tired, eh? I need to rest.
Play with you.
It's me you want to play with? Oh, but Daddy's tired, okay? We'll continue later. Huh?
Darling, I think you're giving her more time than me.
Is someone jealous here? You are my queen and she's my princess. I love you both.
I love you.
I love you more, my baby.
You see, out of the heart, the mouth speaketh. Now I'm jealous.
Honey, you know what? Give me a minute before I chew on a D. Someone is getting jealous. It's your turn. Oh, yeah.
Oh, I'm not.
Alele, it's your turn. Alele, Alele, it's your turn. Alele. Show me you are jealous. Yeah. How can you be jealous of your own daughter?
I just asked for a bit of time. Christine, take your drink and don't look at us, okay?
No, I love you, okay? I love you so
Love you more.
Say you're happy now.
Start again. Why are you doing this? Eh? Why are you doing this to yourself now? You're not helping yourself.
He was a good father.
I know.
The best husband every lady would want. So I will not see him again. I went to Christy's room and made her crying, asking me when her daddy would come back.
Please. Please. I know how you feel. But we cannot question God. Eh? Stop doing this to yourself, please.
I miss him.
Let me go and talk to her, okay? Please. I don't like these tears. Biko, stop crying. You're going to harm yourself if you continue like this. Let me go upstairs and talk to her, okay? Please.
Nkechi, if we are to judge by what Nkoli here said, you are not legally married to our brother.
Hmm?
Yes.
Mama?
The fact that you had a son with our late brother and that he has been taking care of both of you until he passed on never made you his wife. That's our tradition.
What is he saying, Mama? Eh? Mama, are you just a baby mama to my father?
No.
So what is he saying?
They paid something on my head.
They paid something?
Eh?
They paid something.
When? Who paid? Ejike, for your information, in case your mother had been lying to you, nothing was done on her head. We only went there to knock on the door so that my late husband will have access to you as his son. No bride price was paid. And in our tradition, it's only bride price that is called marriage. When bride price is paid, that is when you are legally married to your husband. So, you are what? A side chick or a fable.
And that is our tradition and can never be changed. Never. Ejike is our son. Yes. But an illegitimate son to our late brother, O.O.N.O. Kwosa. Your mother was illegally married. And if you must have anything in this family, you must make peace with the legally married one.
Bamba, you lie, you're a liar. I don't like all this kind of a thing. You should just go straight to the point and stop trying to manipulate things. No, you told me that he was my father. You said it yourself. What are you trying to meander, try to say something that doesn't make sense? Legal or illegal, it doesn't have anything to do with my inheritance. Nobody will touch my inheritance. I am the only surviving son of my father.
Ejike, you lied. In case your mother did not teach you the tradition, let me educate you.
Good.
Any child that is born out of wedlock is a bastard. I have nothing to inherit. You must respect the tradition.
Look at this rat!
Ejike, why?
Who asked this idiot to come here?
Enough.
Eh? Mama, who asked you to come here?
Enough of that, Ejike. Ejike, what you just said is our tradition. And not even the Igwe. Not even the Igwe can change it. Not even the Igwe. Yes.
So why are you sitting there? Why are you talking to me like that? Am I your mate?
Use your head before they use.
Let her use her head. Let her use her head. Don't ever interfere in our conversation again.
For the record's sake, say the wife and daughter must be here before we share anything.
Period.
And that is how it is.
On point.
Ichakuri, this is a critical situation that, if not carefully handled, will destroy the family. Ichia, we need to ask questions to avoid doing the wrong thing. That's exactly what I was thinking. But after hearing from Nkoli, I came to the conclusion that Ejike is just a mere substitute. Yes, because the mother has not been paid for. She's not legally married. My brother, that's the tradition we grew up to meet. You are right. And I'm sure he did not know until now. So we have to go back to the Igwe and tell him the outcome of the meeting. Okay. That is what Let's go. Let's go.
No, don't tell me to calm down. Please. Don't even tell me. I don't want to hear anything. I don't want to hear nobody should say anything to me. Mama, you're useless to me.
Ejike, can you hear me?
I will not hear you.
I say calm down.
You are useless. You are useless to me, Mama. How could you? You kept this whole secret away from me just like that. And I was busy fighting a lost battle. Now,
we have not lost the battle yet. We have not.
We have lost it. Stop doing that. You have what I said at the meeting. How can they say I should go and apologize to my father's first wife, first of all, before peace? Why? How is that even possible? How? My mother, my so-called mother here never told me I was a bastard.
You are not a bastard. I gave birth to you, and you have a father.
No, where's my father? Where is he?
And I know your father.
Where is he? A man that did not pay your dowry. You are busy opening your leg for any man. And I'm the product of that illicit affair. And you are telling me you know my father. Where's my father?
Stop talking to me, and how dare you? How dare you talk to me like that? I am your mother, and you should have got me some respect.
Ifedi I've been the mad danger.
Natasha, stop. Natasha, stop now. Natasha, I'm talking to you. Stop.
Just leave me alone. Just leave me alone. What is it?
Can't you resolve this thing here? Eh? Stop. Let us resolve this thing here. Come on.
That is your problem. I mean, I don't understand you. This is my problem with you. Since you have chosen him over a relationship, then so be it. Just let me be. I have to let you understand that I will never keep a man who doesn't listen to me, who doesn't take my advice. I can't do it. It's too much for me.
I am not that man. Listen, let me tell you something. Eh? Listen, I'm not that man. Ejike is my friend. And you know Ejike don't have a place to stay in the city. He only came to the city and squat in my house. Just a little help. Can't I help my friend again?
That thing you are calling a little help, if it is that so little, can't he go and get his own apartment and operate from there? That little help you're talking about is tearing someone's family apart. Look, let me tell you. Mrs. Okosa went to your father and warned him to let you stay away from their family issue. If you cannot stay away from their family issues, please, just pretend we never met.
Baby, listen. The fact is very simple. I cherish our friendship.
Do you?
Yes. You don't expect me to leave you just because I'm helping a friend. But I was only asking for your forgiveness. I did it innocently. I didn't have anything in mind.
Look, at this point, I don't understand you. When you're ready, I know what you know.
I am not choosing him over our relationship. It is you that I want. Come on, stop walking out on me.
What do you want me to do? What?
I want us to resolve our differences here and move on.
Tony, there's nothing to resolve right now. Nothing. Since you have chosen it, so be it. Nothing to resolve, please. You just won't understand.
Okay, you've won. You've won. I want you, not him. Please.
Let me be this now. Hey, let me be this. But I said this one go school. This one when you wear a suit.
He's educated too.
You want to insult me? What did you bring that nonsense?
I mean no harm. He's good in English speaking, I meant.
Who English help? As you see me like this, I hate that English as he did. I don't know who make him too serious. What I they talk English, he did. You want to insult me? I beg you, I dey quick verse, man, no come on here.
Daddy!
Hey. My princess, how are you?
Fine, Daddy.
Oh.
Daddy, Mommy said I'll not see you again, but you're back.
Don't mind mommy, eh? Now joke, she dey joke. Yeah, now joke, I'm back. And I no go travel again, yeah?
Promise me that you'll not travel again so Mom will not cry.
I promise I will not travel again, eh? Give me 5. Go back, talk now.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, sir.
Why you dey move like we never see human being before? Come on for here now. Go back the pikin, they look like tolo tolo. Where they come?
How did you know that's the name the father to call her?
So now what did the papa they call him be that?
Yes.
I get her. Now guess so I no say that what did the papa they call her. I don't know, I guess so. So I get him. Bye, now. Back to business. How you go be? When they too cold, now they move like say, what did they sup now? Loosen up. What did they have? How you go be?
Wetin dey happen? Person wey die for plane crash come waka enter here nobody dey run. Abi Oyibo don put bulletproof for plane. I know say Oyibo people nothing they no fit do. Yeah? That mean say hope do. Hope dey for my wife. Oh. The promises wey my God do for me. Hey! Hope dey for all the promises my God make for me. So I go marry. Hey! Uju. Oyiromu gato to koko, gato to koko, gato to koko, gato. Oyiromu gato to koko. Even Uju gato to koko. Uju gato to koko. Uju gato to koko, gato. As Uju gato to koko, gato to koko, gato to koko.
Come outside. I don't like to repeat myself. Come outside. I say enter son, no provoke me. So now you get mine. Separate me and my family when I be baby.
Sorry, please. It is greed. I didn't want anyone to collect my man from me. So I did the unthinkable, Pico Bara. Please forgive me.
So that thou shall not kill, you read the Bible. You know see him. You know read that part. Thou shall not kill. You know see him for Bible.
Please forgive me. I beg you. Please have mercy on me.
No, well, I dey forgive people, but after forgiveness, I dey treat their fuck up so that people wey dey around can not say no go there. Now understand? I don't forgive you. But like this now, you are hereby banished. You go come out for this village, leave this house, just dey move. Because any day while I set my eyes on you anywhere, that will be your last day for this earth. Now understand? I go lie to you. You dey feel me so? What do you make me leave you and say I no want this? They say my hand, I don't tire.
He said now.